Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, then act immediately. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and make sure both devices are on the same network too. 4 or 5 gigahertz is fine. Check that your laptop supports Miracast or AirPlay or that a casting app is installed. Once done, open the laptop's Connect or Display settings and the source device's screen mirroring or cast panel. This starts the handshake. You're now ready to select the laptop as the target and initiate discovery. Next, choose your laptop from the discovered device list on the source. You'll often see a PIN or pairing prompt. Enter it or accept on both ends so the session is authenticated. Make sure you grant permissions for screen capture, audio sharing, and local network access. Otherwise, the stream may be black or silent. If the laptop won't appear, check firewall or privacy settings and update GPU/display drivers. Once paired, set projection mode, extend, duplicate, or second screen only, so the output To finish, start the mirroring session and immediately verify audio and video arrive on the laptop. Use display settings to set resolution and scaling if things look off. For smoother playback, reduce resolution, close resource heavy apps, and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or wired Ethernet for the laptop. When you're done, stop casting from the source or disconnect in the laptop's Connect panel. If anything goes wrong, restart both devices and the router. Then check the network band and reinstall display drivers as a key troubleshooting fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.